Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to call international on Android using Skype. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Launch Skype. You can find the Skype app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Log into Skype. If you already have a Skype account, enter your username and password and tap on Sign In. If you don't have a Skype account, you can create one by tapping on Create Account and following the instructions. Step 3. Add a person to the call. Once you are logged in, you will see your contacts list on the left side of the screen. You can search for a person by typing their name, email, or phone number in the search bar at the top. You can also add a new contact by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom right and selecting Add Contact. Once you find the person you want to call, tap on their name to open a chat window. Step 4. Make a free international call. In the chat window, you will see two icons at the top right, a phone icon and a video icon. To make a voice call, tap on the phone icon. To make a video call, tap on the video icon. You will hear a ringing sound until the person answers your call. You can then talk to them for as long as you want, without any charges or fees. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.